The Chitrik Academy is dedicated in loving memory of Rabbi Tzvi Hirsh Chitrik.
Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn Mishnah Vav. Our Mishnah is divided into two cases. The first case, there's a machaikis, there's a disagreement between Rabbi Yehuda and a mayor. In the second case, everyone agrees. Let us give a little introduction. We are going to discuss whether a person may use boards as chach for the sukkah, as in they only want to put boards on the entire sukkah. So the halacha is, everyone will agree that if it's 3 tefachim or less, everyone will agree that it may be used as schach. Because it is very small, it may be used as schach. However, if it is larger, if it is wider than 4 tefachim, everyone will agree that it may not be used as schach. Meaning, you may not only use boards as schach. If a person combines boards and other materials, we will learn later on. However, in this lesson, we're discussing using only boards. So if it's larger than 4 tefachim, then it may not be used as schach. However, what if it's in between 3 tefachim and 4 tefachim? What will be the halacha then? That is what we will be discussing in this lesson. Let us return to our Mishnah. Let us begin. In this case of a board which is in between 3 and 4 tefachim, so Rabbi Yehuda will say, Mesachachim b'nesarim. We may use nesarim, we may use this board as schach. So Mesachachim b'nesarim, we may use for schach this board which is in between 3 and 4 tefachim. Divrei Rabbi Yehuda. This is opinion number 1. This is the opinion of Rabbi Yehuda. However, Rabbi Meir Eiser. Rabbi Meir will argue and say that this board, which is in between 3 and 4 tefachim, he will say that it is aser. So we have the opinions of Rabbi Yehuda, which will say that it is kosher, and Rabbi Meir will say that it is possible to be used as schach. Let us continue the Mishnah. The second case. What if nasan aleh neser? What if a person is not using only boards as chach, rather one neser, one board he places upon a sukkah? However, shu rachav arba tefachim, but it is wide 4 tefachim, which we had said. Until now we had said if a person uses only boards, if it's 4 tefachim, then it will not be kosher. However, what if a person uses kosher schach on the rest of a sukkah? However, he uses one board which is wider than 4 tefachim. He puts it at the end. What will be the halacha then? So let us see. The Mishnah says, Kesheira, it will be kosher. Even though it cannot be used only as chach, a person may not use boards only as chach. However, one board, if it's 4 tefachim wide, will not make the sukkah puzzle, rather it will still be ksheira. However, uvavad shlo yishan tachtav, but a person should not sleep under this board or eat under this board. Meaning, the entire sukkah will be kosher. Even though there's a board, it does not make the whole entire sukkah puzzle. However, the person who's inside should eat only under this part of the sukkah, where there's kosher schach, and they should not eat under this part. But the sukkah as a whole is kosher. Just do not eat under this board. This is the end of this lesson.